Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate eToro crypto trading using US availability detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin activating eToro crypto trading with US availability, visit the eToro website. Click the Join Now button prominently displayed on the home page. Fill out the registration form with your personal information. Provide your email address and create a secure password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for the eToro verification email. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Next, complete your profile by entering your personal details. This includes your full name, date of birth, and address. Proceed to answer a few questions related to your trading experience. This helps eToro understand your investment knowledge. Once your profile is complete, upload the required identification documents. Acceptable forms of ID include a government-issued ID and a utility bill for address verification. After submitting your documents, eToro will review them for approval. This process can take a few minutes to a couple of days. Once your account is verified, you will receive a notification. Log into your eToro account using your registered email and password. To activate crypto trading, navigate to the Funds section of your account. Make an initial deposit to fund your trading account. Ensure you choose a payment method that is available in the US. Options typically include bank transfers, credit/debit cards, and e-wallets. After funding your account, access the crypto section on the platform. Browse the list of available cryptocurrencies for trading. When you find a cryptocurrency you wish to trade, click on it. Select the Trade button to enter your trading parameters. Set your desired investment amount and any stop-loss or take-profit orders. Review your trade configuration for accuracy. Finally, click Open Trade to execute your crypto investment. Congratulations, you have successfully activated eToro crypto trading and made your first trade. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.